pan. We're putting in one piece there. If you can follow our channel, we've been putting videos of progress on it. But we've got our tail section here that's all crunched in. We took it off and straightened it all up and welded it back on, ground down all the welds, got both sides done. Doing some rust repair, had to make braces for both sides here for the trunk pan brace and also for exhaust braces on the inside there. So we've got that all done. So we took our pan apart there so that we could get into to fix our braces in, and also we rusted and hit the inside of the frame rails all throughout, so it'll be good and solid when we get done. But the edges of the trunk pan itself was all rusted through here. So what I've done for that is I have trunk drops that have been made for it that we're fabricating in, and then we just making a lip across the pan right here to go across there and weld it in so that we can attach our trunk drops on it. Trying to get an idea of what we're talking about. Have our trunk drop right here that's set in front that goes in there. The piece of pan that we cut off of it. Take this and our section here is all rusted right through here. So what I've done is took and made a piece of metal to go right in through there. I'll put it and weld that on, put the old off there, and grind it all down, do a little bit of body work on it, fill that in, and then I'll be able to attach it, drop onto it, like that there, and weld it, grind it, and then after that is done, trunk drops on, and then we'll flip them over, and we roll them over on the side like that. Trunk pan will be ready to go, which is going to make this car really, really nice. Pretty much be back to the original way it was. We've done a really good job as far as cleaning all that up, grinding it down, welding it. It'd be pretty nice when we get done with it, so we're making some progress. Thought we'd share that with you. That's where we're at on that there. It's our 1970 Machine Rebel. And if you're not following our channel, you can like and subscribe to it, keep up on the progress of it. It's taking a little time to get to where it's at, but we put a new front clip on it, got the floor pan on it, we got the inner rockers on it. Have the floor pan ready to go. Some pan's going to go back in. Once we get that done, we're just down to replacing the skins. So we'll get back at it there and keep updated on the progress. Yeah, like and subscribe.